Number 1. The 1976 El Camino, priced $13,500. This 1969 El Camino features a blown big block V8 engine, built for both street performance and pump gas reliability. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, equipped with a 2,800 stall converter, and power is sent to the rear via a built 12 VT rear end. According to the seller, all suspension components are aftermarket and fully adjustable. The body is said to be straight and clean, finished in a bright red paint with a contrasting black interior. The vehicle has seen minimal use, with just over 1,200 miles reported, and has been kept in heated storage since completion. While it hasn't been shown at any events, the seller notes, it draws plenty of attention on the street. The car is described as turnkey and ready to enjoy. The seller may consider partial trades, but is clear that projects or low-value offers won't be entertained. Located in Huntington, Suffolk County, Island, New York, America. Sericat. Number 2. The 1990 Chevrolet Blazer, priced $20,000. This Blazer is built around a supercharged 383-stroker, paired with a T56 6-speed manual transmission. Out back, it runs a narrowed Ford 8.8 rear end. The seller notes, there are more mods and upgrades, but prefers to go over the full spec list in person or over the phone with serious buyers. According to the ad, the truck is powerful but reliable, described as turnkey and ready to drive anywhere, even in traffic on the highway. It reportedly cruises at 80 miles per hour in 6th gear at just 1,500 RPM. Also included are a rear lowering kit, front drop spindles, and front wheel tubs, though they're not currently installed. As the seller notes, it's not a showpiece, but it's a fun street build. Seller is open to serious cash offers or a trade for an old-school hot rod, T-bucket, or other classic toys. Located in Suffolk County, New York, America. Sericat. Number 3. The 1969 Dodge Coronet 440, priced $38,999. This 1969 Coronet is set up as a Super B tribute, featuring a Big L's Toy Box built 440 big block, topped with a TBS 871 blower and dual Edelbrock 750 carbs. It's backed by a rebuilt 727 automatic transmission with a 3,200 stall converter from Monster Transmissions. Power is sent to an 8 3/4 inches rear end with a short grip center section and Moser axles. Up front, the car rides on an Altertine tubular K-member with adjustable coilovers and manual Willwood disc brakes. The factory bench seat interior is mostly original and still presentable, though it does show some age. A Dakota digital dash also has been added. The paint has been corrected and ceramic coated, though the seller notes a few small scratches, a rock chip, and a barely visible low spot on the roof. Out back, Mickey Thompson Street slicks provide traction. The audio system includes a $6,700 diamond audio setup with a custom trunk build, and the car has reportedly received $7,500 in recent service. Located in Auburn, Maine. Number 4. The 1973 Chevrolet Vega, priced $4,500. This 1973 Chevy Vega is equipped with a recently installed 383-stroker, topped with Edelbrock aluminum heads, an Edelbrock intake, and a 750 carb. Exhaust runs through MSD ignition, headers, and Flowmaster mufflers. Power is sent through a TH350 automatic transmission with a 3,200 stall converter. The car is also fitted with new weld wheels and tires, and according to the seller, it has around 500 miles on the current setup. The car is described as a solid street car. Located in Gretna, Virginia. Number 4. The 1973 Chevrolet Vega, priced $4,500. This 1973 Chevy Vega is equipped with a recently installed 383-stroker, topped with Edelbrock aluminum heads, an Edelbrock intake, and a 750 carb. Exhaust runs through MSD ignition, headers, and Flowmaster mufflers. Power is sent through a TH350 automatic transmission with a 3,200 stall converter. The car is also fitted with new weld wheels and tires, and according to the seller, it has around 500 miles on the current setup. The car is described as a solid street car. Located in Gretna, Virginia. Number 6. The 1973 Chrysler New Yorker, priced $20,000. There she is. This 1973 New Yorker Custom comes equipped with a 400 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The seller notes, it's a strong running car with a custom sound system installed in the trunk and currently shows 75,000 miles on the odometer. While described as a nice ride, the car does show some early signs of cosmetic rust, though nothing structural appears to be affected at this point. The body looks solid overall, but some aging is evident. The seller emphasizes a strong emotional attachment to the car and states, it runs well, purrs like a demon in love, in their words, but is being sold due to a divorce situation. No trades are mentioned, and lowball offers will not be considered. The seller is open to answering questions and says they'd rather hang on to the car than let it go for less than it's worth. Located in Yates City, Illinois. Number 7. The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle, priced $38,000. This 1972 Chevelle is a street-oriented build, featuring a 454 big block topped with an 871 blower shop supercharger, producing a claimed 804 horsepower. Power is sent through a 4-speed Muncie manual transmission. According to the seller, the carpet and interior are new, but the rear window and headliners still need to be installed. Both parts are included in the sale, so a buyer will need to handle the installation. Located in Star, Idaho. Number 8. The 1967 Plymouth Valiant, priced $30,000. This 1967 Valiant has been heavily modified, incorporating elements from a 1971 Duster and set up with a front clip intended for autocross or drag racing. It's powered by a 360 small block board .030 over and fitted with a mild cam, mated to a 4-speed manual transmission with a pistol grip shifter. The build includes several performance upgrades: Willwood hydraulic clutch, 4-wheel disc brakes, QA1 fully adjustable shocks, front and rear, and rack and pinion steering. An 8.60 certified roll cage is also included. Out back, there's a 3.55 geared Ford PY rear end, Dutch Brothers axles, and a 4-link with a panhard bar. The seller notes, the car rides on 255/60 tires and that a lot of time and effort has gone into the build. The car has reportedly driven about 5,500 miles since the build. No trades accepted. Located in Spokane, Washington. Number 9. The 1959 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible Excellent Driver 4-speed 350zz 4-ing radial tires, priced $57,500. This 1966 Corvette features a 383 engine with a 671 blower and aluminum heads. It's paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel disc brakes. According to the seller, with just 22,355 miles on the odometer, the car shows some signs of use but remains in decent condition for its age. The exterior has some wear, and the interior shows typical signs of aging for a car from the 60s. The seller describes it as a cool hot rod and mentions, it's been set up to offer solid performance. The seller is open to trades for another muscle car, so there's some flexibility if you have something to offer. Located in Suffolk County, New York, America, Serica. Number 10. The 1974 Dodge Challenger, priced $55,000. This 1974 Challenger has undergone several modifications, including a rebuild of the Indian Creek 408 stroker block and the addition of an 871 blower with over 1,000 horsepower. The car is built for high performance. The seller notes, the interior, tires, and rear end are new, but the gauge cluster will need to be replaced, and the passenger side valve cover gasket needs attention. Additionally, the fans are currently wired to a switch panel. The car has not been raced and has only had break-in and transport miles. It will come with 2 TA-style hoods and all spare engine and transmission parts the seller still has. The seller is looking to sell the car outright, with no loans or payments accepted, and it needs to be removed from the garage. Located in Meridian, Idaho. Number 11. The 1982 Chevrolet Camaro, priced $16,500. This 1982 Camaro is powered by a 383-stroker engine with a blower. The seller notes, it features a custom Flowmaster exhaust and Lamborghini-style doors. While the car has been heavily modified, it does have some issues, including a small tick noise, which the seller suspects may be a loose rocker arm. Additionally, the car needs new shocks. Test rides are only available if an offer is made. Located in Kernersville, North Carolina. Number 12. The 1963 Ford F-100, priced $12,500. This 1958 Ford is powered by a 350 engine, paired with a 350 transmission. The truck comes in a classic black exterior with a black interior. The seller is open to trade offers, specifically seeking pre-1970 Harley motorcycles, other hot rods, customs, or shorty vans. Located in New Windsor, New York. Number 12. The 1963 Ford F-100, priced $12,500. This 1958 Ford is powered by a 350 engine, paired with a 350 transmission. The truck comes in a classic black exterior with a black interior. The seller is open to trade offers, specifically seeking pre-1970 Harley motorcycles, other hot rods, customs, or shorty vans. Located in New Windsor, New York. Number 14. The 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, priced $89,980. Eat. This 1977 Corvette features a 454 engine with a BDS blower and Predator carb, running on premium pump gas. It's equipped with a T16 NASCAR manual transmission, designed for street use. The car has been fitted with a 1969 Corvette yellow paint job and a Greenwood wide-body kit, adding 6 inches to the front and 12 inches to the rear. It's listed as a one-of-a-kind vehicle, and the seller suggests it's worth seeing in person to appreciate the modifications. Located in Las Vegas, Nevada.